Reflect in English podcast.
Ben, can you please check if the cooler is in the trunk?
The what?
The cooler. You know, the box with food inside. The one we need to survive the whole day.
Oh, that box. Yeah, I think it's under Dad's fishing rods. Or maybe it's at home.
Ben, tell me you're joking.
Maybe.
Careful, Ben. You're going to drop that bucket.
I'm not. Whoa. Okay, maybe I almost did.
Here, put the bucket next to the chair, not on the chair.
Got it. So this is it? We just sit here and wait?
That's right. That's the beauty of fishing. You sit, you wait, you listen.
It sounds like doing nothing.
It's peaceful. You'll like it once you stop talking.
Impossible. Hey, what was that?
Just a fish jumping. See? They're already out there.
Do you think it's a big one?
Could be. Or it could be one of those tiny ones that steal your bait.
Wait, steal my bait? Fish can do that?
Oh, yeah. They're sneaky. You'll feel a little pull, then poof, no worm left.
Okay, now I'm hungry. Anna,
Yeah?
what if I catch a really big fish? Like huge. What do I do?
You reel it in slowly. Don't pull too fast or it'll break the line.
And then what?
Then we take a picture, of course.
Anna, I think something's pulling my line.
Wait, don't pull yet. Feel it first. Is it moving?
Yeah, it's like tug, tug, tug.
Okay, steady. Now lift gently, gently.
I got it. Oh, no.
Ben, you lost it.
The fish? Yeah. The worm? Also gone.
You just fed the fish breakfast.
Great. I'm a waiter now. Would you like worms with that, sir?
Okay, I'll show you a trick. Watch how I put the worm on the hook. You hold it close, like this, see? And you slide it in gently.
Ew, 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 ew. It's wriggling.
Of course it is. That means it's alive.
I know. That's the problem.
Relax. You'll get used to it. Here, now you try.
Okay, I'm going in. Come here, little worm. Don't look at me like that.
It doesn't even have eyes you can see.
It feels like it's looking at me. Okay, done. I did it. It's on.
Good job. Now cast the line.
Whoa. Uh-oh.
Ben, not that far. You almost hit that duck.
Sorry, duck. I didn't mean to invade your personal space.
That poor duck looked shocked. You know, this is nice. Just sitting here, listening to the water.
Yeah, it's not bad. Kind of peaceful. Makes you forget stuff.
What stuff?
School, homework, noise.
That's why I like fishing. You get quiet time. You think
About what?
about life, about what matters, about how short worms' lives are.
You're so deep sometimes.
You'll get it one day. You just need a few more minutes of silence.
Minutes? I already gave you 10 seconds. Isn't that enough?
Not even close.
Anna, I think I got something again, for real this time.
Careful. Keep your hand steady. Feel how it moves. If it fights, it's real.
It's fighting. Oh my gosh, this is it. This is the big one.
Okay, pull slowly. Slowly. Yes, like that. Almost there.
Got it. Look, it's a... Oh. Oh, no.
Is that a shoe?
It's a shoe. I caught a shoe.
Hey, Every fisherman remembers their first catch.
I was hoping for a fish, not someone's lost sneaker.
It's still a catch. Think positive.
Fine, I'll start a collection. Maybe next I'll get a sock.
You never know. Maybe you'll get a matching pair.
You know what, Anna? I think I'm getting good at this.
Really? You mean at fishing or at catching random objects?
Both. I'm multi-talented. Not everyone can catch a shoe with such skill.
You're a pioneer, Ben. The first of your kind.
Thank you. I take that as a compliment.
It wasn't one, but okay.
You're just jealous of my shoe.
Ah, terribly jealous. Anyway, check your line again. Your float is moving.
Wait, really? Oh, wow, it is! It's bouncing!
That means something's nibbling. Be patient. Don't pull yet.
It's hard to be patient when something is eating my worm.
That's fishing, little brother.
I will bring home dinner. Watch and learn.
Sure.
Have faith, Anna. Okay, now it's really pulling. Should I...
Gently lift the rod up, not too fast.
Now?
Okay, now.
Got it. I got it. It's pulling. It's really pulling. Anna, help!
Reel it in slowly. Don't fight too hard.
It's strong. This one's not a shoe.
Keep going. You've got it. Yes, yes. Almost there.
Look, it's... Oh my gosh, it's an actual fish.
You did it. You caught your first fish.
I did. I really did. Look at it. It's shiny and small. Very small.
Still a fish.
I shall name him Sir Wigglefin.
Perfect name. Are we keeping him?
I kind of want to. He's cute.
You did great, Ben. Most beginners don't even catch anything their first time.
Maybe I got lucky.
Or maybe you finally relaxed enough for luck to notice you.
You know, I actually had fun.
Told you you'd like it.
Yeah, I thought fishing was boring, but it's not. It's just quiet fun.
That's a good way to put it. Quiet fun.
And we didn't even need music or Wi-Fi.
Just water and time.
And worms.
Don't forget worms.
I'll never forget worms. They're heroes too.
You're ridiculous.
So, what do we do now?
We wait a bit more. Maybe one more catch before sunset.
Okay, but if I catch another shoe, we're going home.
Deal.
Wow, look at the sky, Anna. It's like a painting.
Yeah, the lake always looks magical at sunset.
It doesn't even look real, like someone just spilled colors all over the clouds.
Exactly.
Hey, Anna, do you think Dad would have liked this?
Yeah, he would have loved it. Remember, he used to take us to the small river behind Grandma's house?
Yeah, I remember. He always said fishing was about patience. I never listened.
You were like 8. You thought patience was a kind of candy.
True. I just wanted snacks.
You still do.
Some things never change.
I think that's why I like coming here. It feels like we bring him with us a little.
Yeah, it does.
He would have said, "Don't scare the fish with all that talking."
Or, then stop throwing stones in the water.
Exactly.
So, are we done fishing for today?
Almost. One more check on the lines. You actually did really well today. Not bad for a beginner.
Thanks. I learned from the best.
That's right.
Hey, Anna,
Yeah?
I think I get why people love this. Fishing's not really about the fish, right?
No. It's about slowing down, about noticing things.
Like sunsets and quiet water and family.
Exactly. You get it now.
Yeah, but also, I just really want pizza.
Of course you do.
Can we get some on the way home?
Okay.
Goodbye, Lake. Goodbye, Sir Wigglefin.
Until next time.
I guess I'm a fisherman now.
You are. Hi, everyone. Welcome to Reflect in English podcast. I'm Maya.
Hi, guys. Leo here. You know, Maya, fishing is a big deal in some countries.
Yes, in many places. Like in the US, people love fishing trips with family or friends. It's not just about catching fish, it's about spending time together outdoors.
Yeah, I've seen people make a whole day of it. They bring food, chairs, music, sometimes even camping gear.
Exactly. In some places, it's even a tradition. Parents teach kids how to fish. It's kind of a family thing.
That's nice. It's more like connecting with nature and with people.
Okay, let's talk about some useful fishy idioms.
Oh, yes, there are lots. For example, a big fish. It means someone important.
Right. He's a big fish in a small pond means he's an important person, but only in a small place or group.
Like the star of a small town.
Exactly. And how about a fish out of water?
It means someone feels uncomfortable.
Yes, when you're in a new or strange situation and don't know what to do. For example, I felt like a fish out of water at that fancy party.
It's like, I don't belong here.
Exactly. It's a great expression for daily life.
Okay, what's next?
Next is, there are plenty of fish in the sea.
Ah, the breakup phrase.
Yes, it means don't worry, there are many other people out there. If someone breaks up with you, your friend might say, cheer up, there are plenty of fish in the sea.
I have one. What about to fish for something, like compliments or information?
Good one. When you're fishing for compliments, you're trying to get someone to say something nice about you.
Like when I say, do I look tired today? Hoping you'll say, no, you look amazing.
Here's another cool one, a red herring.
Ooh, that sounds mysterious.
It means something that distracts you from the real issue. For example, in a mystery movie, the wrong clue is a red herring.
So it's like a false lead.
Exactly.
How about to have bigger fish to fry?
It means you have more important things to do, like, I can't go shopping today. I have bigger fish to fry.
More serious business.
Exactly.
I'll say that when someone asks me to clean my room. Sorry, I have bigger fish to fry.
Sure. Here's a fun one. Something smells fishy.
It means something seems suspicious.
Yes. When something doesn't feel right, we say, that sounds fishy.
What about drink like a fish?
That means someone drinks a lot, usually alcohol.
So if someone says, he drinks like a fish, it's not really about water.
Definitely not about water.
Let's go to something about catching in general, like catch of the day.
Yes, that one's common in restaurants. It means the freshest fish they caught that day.
So if you see catch of the day on a menu, it's usually something special.
Right. But we also use it as a joke. For example, he's the catch of the day means he's a great person to date. Here's another one, to be packed like sardines.
It means when a place is too crowded.
Exactly. Like, the bus was packed like sardines this morning.
Any sea ones, like with sharks or whales?
Sure. A whale of a time means you had a great time. Like, we had a whale of a time at the party.
Oh, that's fun.
And cold fish means someone who doesn't show emotion.
So if I'm too quiet, you might say, I'm a cold fish?
Yes, but luckily you talk too much.
Thank you, I guess.
Here's another, fishy business.
It just means something suspicious or dishonest, like if a deal sounds too good to be true.
Exactly.
Are there any about catching besides fish?
Lots, like catch your breath, catch a cold, catch a train, or catch someone's eye.
Wow, catch really gets around.
It does. English is full of catching things, just not always fish.
Okay, I've got a game idea. I'll try to use fishing idioms in one sentence.
I love it. Go ahead.
Something smells fishy, but I have bigger fish to fry, so I'll just let that one get away.
That's perfect. You've graduated from fishing school.
Thank you, Professor Maya.
All right, before we wrap up, let's quickly list today's new expressions for our listeners.
Ready.
Maybe. A big fish.
A fish out of water.
There are plenty of fish in the sea.
To fish for compliments.
A red herring.
Bigger fish to fry.
Something smells fishy.
Drink like a fish.
Hook, line, and sinker.
Catch of the day.
Packed like sardines.
A whale of a time.
Cold fish.
Fishy business.
All right, friends, that's all for today's episode of Reflect in English.
We hope you had fun listening, relaxing, and maybe learning a few idioms.
Remember, English grows best when you enjoy it.
Until next time, I'm Leo.
And I'm Maya.
And we'll see you on the next episode of Natural English for Beginners.